friends, in this video I'm gonna show you that how to remove an object from your photo on Android Snapseed application. So let's begin the video. The process is very simple and very easy. So first of all we will open our Snapseed application. So here you will tap on the screen and select any of the photo you want to edit. So we will select the first one. So if we want to remove any object, like there is a phone in the picture, like if there is a cell phone, so we will remove this cell phone from here. So first of all you will simply tap on tools, and here is the healing that is on the screen, you can see. So you will select the healing and you will simply zoom in and mark it on the phone, and the cell phone has been removed from the picture, as you can see. So this is the simple process of removing any object from the photo. If you like the video, please subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you.